The XT3 drone is a compact and feature-packed quadcopter designed for aerial photography and FPV flying. With its 4K high-definition camera, optical flow positioning, and altitude hold mode, the XT3 offers stable flight and exceptional image quality. Perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots, this drone brings professional-grade features to the palm of your hands. The XT3 drone is equipped with foldable arms, making it highly portable and easy to carry. It features one-key takeoff or landing, headless mode, and autonomous flight path capabilities, allowing you to enjoy smooth, hands-free flying experiences. With its Wi-Fi FPV system, you can stream live footage directly to your mobile device, while the dual camera switching offers versatile angles for creative shots. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or just having fun flying, the XT3 drone delivers reliable performance with up to 10 minutes of flight time and a 100 m control range. Key features of the XT3 drone: 4K HD camera, capture sharp, detailed videos and photos with the 4K camera and adjustable 180 degrees to 90 degrees camera angle. Foldable design, compact and foldable, easy to carry for travel and outdoor use. GPS and altitude hold mode, stay stable and precise with altitude hold and optical flow positioning. One-key control, enjoy easy flight with one-key takeoff or landing, auto return, and headless mode. 10-minute flight time, equipped with a 600 mAh battery, get up to 10 minutes of flight time. Wi-Fi FPV, real-time video transmission directly to your phone for a first-person view, FPV. LED lights, enhance your flying experience, especially in low-light conditions. Dual camera switch, easily switch between front and bottom cameras for versatile shots. Specifications: camera, 4K HD, adjustable 180 degrees to 90 degrees camera angle. Battery, 3.7V 600 mAh, up to 10 minutes of flight time. Charging time, 40 minutes. Flight range, 100 meters. Control distance, 15 to 30 meters. FPV. Motor, brushed motor. Size, 19 by 15 by 4.5 centimeters unfolded, 8 by 6 by 4.5 centimeters folded. Weight, 260 grams. Control, 2.4 GHz, for channel remote control. What's in the box? XT3 drone. Remote control. Battery. USB charging cable. Screwdriver. For spare propellers. User manual. The XT3 drone is perfect for aerial photography, FPV enthusiasts, and those looking to experience advanced drone features in a compact, easy-to-use package. Whether you're capturing stunning views or just enjoying a leisurely flight, the XT3 drone provides high-quality visuals and a smooth flying experience for all skill levels. Perfect for aerial photographers seeking high-quality shots, tech lovers looking for advanced drone features, beginners wanting an easy-to-fly drone, gift seekers looking for a fun and versatile drone. Get ready to explore the skies and capture breathtaking footage with the XT3 drone. Please like, share, and comment to tell us how you'd use the XT3 drone. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.